Well, just a little update, coming along with my engine fine. And I also had Brent from Brents VanLife here. There's Brent, Russ, there's the dude. Brent's inside doing something. He's getting ready to go back to the island tomorrow. So I really appreciate him helping me out and just being here, keeping me unstressed, so it was really good for that.
You know.
And what? I'm filming, Brent. And then there's the engine. I'm planning to get it in Monday or Tuesday night. Just gonna take it easy tomorrow. Worked a lot in the last few days, and it is stinking hot out. So yeah, so that'll be coming along soon. There's Raven. How are you, Raven? You doing okay? Raven is good, okay. And there's Max. Yeah. Oh, big yawn. Yeah, neighbor brought over an air conditioner that I stuck in the window, so I keep the cats nice and cool, and keeps me cool too, because it was 33 degrees outside today and it felt like, I don't know, 35, 36. So yeah, I want to keep the cats happy and cool. Yeah. Well, I found some video I thought I lost. I had just put it in the wrong place, but that's normal. But last time I was on the island, I helped a nice couple install an inverter and some new batteries into their RV, and the video is just showing basically what I did. Metal piece off.
Keep that as a souvenir.
Yeah.
I'll wear it like dog tags or something.
Yeah. That is a
Fancy wine cork.
Yeah, one thick floor. Hey, hello. How are you? Oh, do you want to go see Max and Raven? Huh?
No.
Do you? No, you don't want to see Max and Raven? Oh, it's a pretty girl. Oh yes. No. I'll show them your picture, okay? We'll see what they do. Gotta find this. Look at this. Just blow the light for a sec.
Sure. You can do whatever you want, Wayne. How come you can ground to the chassis of a vehicle if the whole vehicle is still supported by the tires?
Oh, it's not earth ground.
No, it's not. It's just sort of distributed around the vehicle?
It's just for distribution.
Okay.
Yeah. You okay there?
I mean, I'm doing all right. So about like that?
Yeah.
Good guess?
Good guess.
Good guess as anything?
Yeah. Oh, the wires are a little bit in the way. Hang on.
Yeah. I was just trying. I didn't know a good way to get that completely clear.
We just turn it sideways like this.
Oh, that's a good idea.
Okay.
About like that?
Yep.
Okay. Oh, nice. I even missed that bottom board.
Yep.
What
See
a
that?
deal.
Perfect, huh?
Okay. So just trying to do another one that's kind of aligned with it.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, we have the inverter mounted, powered up. We've tested it. It's got a remote switch that still has to be mounted somewhere. They haven't decided quite where they're going to put it. And it has an automatic switching relay, so when it's plugged into shore power, you do a bypass and all the outlets will be on shore power, not running the inverter. Even if the inverter is still turned on, it won't be drawing any power. Okay, while we're here, I was helping out. We needed to get some plywood for the batteries, so we decided that we also needed to repair one of your seats, right?
Yeah, tidying up the edge of a new seat support.
So this support actually inside the seat, where the bench seat was broken, cracked. So we decided to go from 1/2 inch plywood to 3/4 inch, and that way. And so Michael, we just cut it to fit. Now he's just going to sand the edges. So go ahead and sand, right? Just get rid of all the splinters. Oh, she's all sacked out. A hard day of work of watching us work, right? Oh, she's dreaming. Oh, I'm gonna catch a mouse. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel if you already haven't.